Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can lock your Phantom Wallet. In order to do so, here we are in Phantom Wallet, and what we're looking for is up at the top left-hand corner. We're going to select this icon here, and then from here we want to select the settings icon up at the top right-hand corner. I'm going to go ahead and select that, and then we want to select security and privacy. Here we can either toggle on or off use fingerprint authentication. You might also see use Face ID, but it's the same thing here where it says require authentication. We can specify whether or not we want it immediately or 1, 5, 10, 15, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 8 hours. Essentially, what this means is if you lock your wallet, then it's going to require authentication immediately, is how I have it set up now. So as soon as I lock my screen, then I need to enter in my fingerprint again. But you have a variety of options you can choose from. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.